Hello everyone and a very good morning. Today we are going to start with a unit 48, use of do you know where and I don't know what. Means these are also forms of questions, right? So let's look at the example. Do you know where Paula is? Do you know where Paula is? राइट तो मतलब क्या तुम्हें पता है पॉला कहाँ है? तो जनरली हम कैसे बोलते हैं वेयर इज पॉला, कैसे बोलते हैं वेयर इज पॉला। लेकिन जब हमें बोलना होता है कि क्या तुम्हें पता है वेयर इज पॉला, क्या तुम्हें पता है पॉला कहाँ है, तो अपन वी विल मेक द सेंटेंस लाइक दिस कि डू यू नो वेयर पॉला इज। व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज। ये जो इज है हेल्पिंग वर्ब वो इट इज पुट एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस। कहाँ लगाया हमने उसको? सेंटेंस के एंड में। ओके, इन द सेम वे I know where Paula is. I don't know where Paula is. Can you tell me where Paula is? Means we are putting the helping verb at the end. We are asking. So now just look at these examples. Okay, these ones. Here they have given us the sentences and then they have shown how we can make sentences with do you know or can you tell me or I know, I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, so let's see. Who are those people? Do you know who those people are? See, द हेल्पिंग वर्ब आर जो यहाँ है वो इस सेंटेंस के एंड में आ रहा है, राइट? नेक्स्ट, हाउ ओल्ड इज लिंडा? कैन यू टेल मी हाउ ओल्ड लिंडा इज? व्हाट टाइम इट इज? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट टाइम इट इज? वेयर कैन आई गो? कैन यू टेल मी वेयर आई कैन go? देखो, see the helping verb and the subject are swapped. Can I का I can हो गया है. Same way, how much is this camera? How much is this camera? Do you know how much this camera is? When are you going away? I know. अब we can take any of the phrases. I know when you are going away. Are you question में है तो आंसर में you are. Okay. Where have they gone? I don't know where they have gone. What was Anne wearing? I don't remember. I don't remember what Anne was wearing. Got it? So this way when we are using do you know or I don't know या I don't remember या I know या can you tell me, उसमें जो helping verb है वो और subject दोनों को swap किया जाता है, right? Now questions with do, does or did. We have already done it earlier also. Do, does is used in simple present and did is used with simple past, right? But when we are using did तो we use the first form of the verb. होता वो past का है, simple past का sentence, लेकिन हम फिर भी उसमें verb का first form लगाते हैं. Why? Because did is itself the second form of the verb do. Okay, now let's see. How do aeroplanes fly? है ना? What they have given? How do aeroplanes fly? Do you know how aeroplanes fly? See the helping verb, right? What does Jane want? Jane को क्या चाहिए? I don't know what Jane wants. Now see one thing. We are using do and does in simple present, right? Do is singular and it is used with plural subjects. It is used with plural subjects. Do is singular and aeroplanes is plural. Same way, does is the plural, but it is used with the singular subject. Okay, this is the special thing that simple present tense follows. Next, why did she go home? I don't remember why she went home. Up in this third sentence, they have used did. Did itself is the second form, means it is the simple sentence of simple past tense. And with did we have used the first form of the main verb, that is go. Okay. लेकिन जब हम यहाँ लगा रहे हैं I don't remember why she went, यहाँ पे हमने did नहीं लगाया है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर क्या लगाएंगे? went. यहाँ हम verb की सेकेंड फॉर्म लगाएंगे क्योंकि सिंपल पास्ट सेंटेंस है. नेक्स्ट, where did I put the key? I don't remember where I put the key. Okay, put का सेकेंड और थर्ड फॉर्म भी put ही होता है. Now next, questions beginning with is, do, can. Questions beginning with is, do, can. So is, do, can, they are all helping verbs and generally they answer in yes or no, right? So let's see the sentences. Is Jack at home? Is Jack at home? Do you know if Jack is at home? Do you know if Jack is at home? We can use whether also in place of if. So it goes side by side. Next, have they got a car? Do you know if they got a car? So past ka past, present ka present. And here to make the sentence they have used helping verb, यानी helping verb को आगे ले लिया है और subject को पीछे ले लिया है. लेकिन जब हम सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे कि सब्जेक्ट को आगे लेके हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सेकंड प्लेस पे डालेंगे. नाउ, कैन ब्रायन स्विम? हाउ विल से, डू यू नो इफ ब्रायन कैन स्विम? डू दे लिव नियर हियर? डू यू नो वेदर दे लिव नियर हियर? Did anybody see you? Do you know whether anybody saw you? Okay, see का saw हो जाएगा. So we can use if or whether in these sentences. Do you know if they have got a car? Do you know if they have got a car? Or do you know whether they have got a car? Means what they are trying to say is कि we can use if or whether in place of each other, एक दूसरे की जगह ले सकते हैं. So now let's come to the exercises. Our first exercise is answer these questions with I don't know where, when and why. सब I don't know से शुरू होना है. When, where, why कौन सा question है वो they have already given in the bracket. So let's see the first one. Have your friends gone home? I don't know where they are gone. Is Kate in her office? I don't know where she is. Is the castle very old? Now how old से बनाना है? So I don't know how old it is. So is it का it is हो जाएगा. Will Paul be here soon? I don't know when he'll be here. Was he angry because I was late? Now you have to use why. I don't know why he was angry. Has Sally lived here a long time? You have to use how long. I don't know how long she has lived here. Now, next exercise, complete the sentences. They have given the sentences here Okay, and we have to use them with do you know or I don't know or do you remember. They have already given the beginning of the sentence and we have to just complete them with the help of these given sentences. Okay, first one, how do aeroplanes fly? Do you know how aeroplanes fly? Where does Suzanne work? I don't know where Suzanne works. What did Peter say? Do you remember what Peter said? से का said हो जाएगा. Why did he go home early? I don't know why he went early. What time does the film begin? Do you know what time the film begins? How did the accident happen? I don't remember how the accident happened. Okay. Now exercise 48.3, which is right. They have given us two answers, out of which we have to choose the right answer, right? So first one is already done by them. Do you know what time it is or is it? The right answer is it is. Okay. Second sentence. Why are you or you are going away? Why you are going away? Why are you nahi? Why you are going away? Third, I don't know where they are going. Can you tell me where is the museum? Or can you tell me where the museum is? So right one is this. Next, where do you want or where you want to go for your holidays? The correct answer is where do you want to go for your holidays? The last sentence, that is sixth. Do you know what do elephants eat? Do you know what elephants eat? So the right one is this. Okay children, so you will do them. Next exercise, write questions with do you know. Write questions with do you know. So let's have a look at these. First, they have given us the question. Have they got a car? Do you know if they got a car? So what we have to use? We have to use if. Okay. We can use whether also. Are they married? Do you know if they are married? Does Suzanne know Bill? Do you know whether Suzanne knows Bill? Will George be here tomorrow? Do you know whether George will be here tomorrow? Did he pass his exam? Do you know if he has passed his exam? So whether and if can be used here. Next, 48.5, write questions beginning with do you know. Once again, but isme we don't have to use if. Okay. What does Anne want? Do you know what Anne wants? Where is Paula? Do you know where Paula is? Is she working today? Do you know if she is working today? What time does she start work? Do you know what time she starts her work? So this way children, you will do exercise 48.5 on your own. Now next 48.6, use your own ideas. For this also you have to do on your own. I repeat, 48.5 and 48.6, both the exercises have to be done by you on your own. Okay, and do this work and submit me on through WhatsApp, or not through WhatsApp, sorry. You have to submit this through Schoollog app by tomorrow evening 7 p.m. Okay children, so I end up the class here. Do this work and send me in time. Till then, thank you.